So what's up, guys? So this has been a long time coming. So I'm really a big bass head and a fan of just subs in general. And I bought this about 2 years ago. I went into a pawn shop and it was on sale for $30. Now there's a bunch of marketing on the inside of it saying that it was originally at like $100, then it went to 50, then it went to 30, and then when I had got it, it was 30. So supported box for 12s, and I've been meaning to buy subs, but been putting it off. Family and priorities. But so over here in Germany, I've been having a rough time trying to get subwoofers shipped over here, or to find ones that ship. There's a bunch of 10s that ship, but if you go on Amazon or eBay, not a lot of the 12 ship, and I have found a pair of 12s that ship on Amazon. So this what I got. This what I ended up getting. I got the Massive Audio GTX12 at 4 ohms. So I got two of them bad boys to put in there, and I'm gonna just do a little bit of unboxing and review. I'm gonna get y'all set up on the tripod, and then start unboxing it. Alright, so I got two of those. So my plans is, I don't know if I want to have it back facing or upward facing with the subwoofer, and I'm just gonna have everything mounted to the subwoofer because I want to be able to take this out. But however, that'll decide. And then I also want to drill a hole down in the middle of it to be able to anchor it in the trunk. But other than that, let's go ahead and just start unboxing it. So in it, we have obviously your instructions, and then it says your year warranty. It has a lot of protection. I think that's the main thing, is why a lot of subwoofers won't ship either, because they're too heavy, or a lot of companies don't want to ship the product because in that long voyage shipping to an APO over in Germany, they have to take a lot of risk on the product being damaged. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this out here. So it's pretty stout and beefy. I'm gonna put this over to the side. Y'all see the box, and then the inside it has a lot of cushioned rings from the cardboard, and it's pretty built up for what this weighs. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side, and then try to get out of the camera a little bit. So here it is, plastic. So my first impression of it, I got this at, I believe it was $92. They were $92 a piece. And so looking at it, it's got a pretty tough cone. Surround, a fiberglass surround. And it's pretty stout. Then looking at it further, nice magnet. The leads, for what it's worth, it's I guess it's rated at 1400, max, and then 700 RMS. But I've been looking at a lot of reviews saying that it can't handle anywhere near 700 RMS. So I think I'm gonna probably be comfortable around 300, 400 RMS per subwoofer. So and my intentions is, like I said, just wiring it down to one ohm. So yeah. So I'm gonna just do a little bit further so you can see. Has your push leads. They're pretty sturdy. I don't know if you can see inside of there. See inside with the spider. It's got a nice, pretty red spider. And the magnet's pretty heavy. So just looking at the bottom. So as a little bit further, this is a size comparison. I tried to find something that was, pretty much universal for everybody, so they can get an idea of how big the subwoofers is in comparison. So and defective, you know, Corona going on. So this is it compared to like, you know, a Corona. So put that to the side and let everybody further get a look at it. So just further looking at it, you get your rubber, your surround. Alright. And then looking over into the spider, the terminals, and the magnet. I plan on doing a little bit further installation on the subwoofers, so that'll probably be in the next video. So I just wanted to give y'all a little insight on what's going down. So I appreciate it. Peace. Like, share, and subscribe.